Blessed Friday, everyone. It's May 17, 2024, and it's a very beautiful, sunny Friday morning. So let's give our thanks for all the blessings na dumating sa buhay natin at sa mga kasama nito mga pagsubok and trials and challenges which makes our life challenging and exciting. At syempre doon sa mga taong tumulong sa atin at sa mga taong nakikimarkis lang doon sa buhay natin. Shoutout po kay Glenda, kay Glenn Snow, at kay Pucci, kay Magic Rain, kay Cecil Bores, kay Mama Lu, Luis and Susan, Tuting and Christine ng Malay-Balay Bukidnon, Michael and Michelle Lamongo ng Suarez, Iligan City, Mabila Andres, Chima David, Inday Araso, Elizabeth Guevara, Sinta Baron, Grishel, Rachel Pastolero, and Eds My Love. Tapos kina Boss D, Boss Jello, Master Coco, Master Basic Alvin Basmayor, CJ Almendras, Marvin the Martian, and Fernando Dandoy ng Pagadian City. Ripples of the day natin po is, don't be envious, but instead rejoice, be happy, and be thankful for the blessings that others have. For only in such a way shall you be blessed similarly or more. So keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Friday to all.